Good morning, YouTube. This is Chris from RC MacGyver. This is my new and improved Radio Shack Monster Patrol. I upgraded to full dually, front and rear. Upgraded the suspension to oil-filled shocks. Those are the original shocks, but they're too weak to hold the body, so I just replaced the springs with the factory ones and adjusted the spring tension, put them to the max. Did a full harness upgrade. Did a 9 kilovolt or 9 kilogram steering servo. Went from a 7.2 2000 milliamp nimh to a 5000 milliamp 8.4 with a 45 amp brushless, or a 45 amp ESC, and a 2.4 gigahertz receiver, 3750 kilovolt brushless senserless motor, and I upgraded the pinion gear from 8 tooth to 9 tooth. And you'll be seeing this one doing some snow bashing. When I got this truck, it was missing the battery cover, missing the lights. I'm gonna overhaul all this. I'm gonna get the V style red and blue instead of the staggered like it was originally. Removed the artificial headlights. I'll be installing an LEDs. I'll be doing 5 millimeter. I'll be doing 2 in each. Top ones I'll be doing strobe and steady, and then 2 steady. And then later on I'll probably do custom bumper, and I'll put some pods either on this bumper or this bumper, and have blue and red 5 mils on there. And I found a siren box that I'll get and put in here. And this thing is pretty crazy with a 8.4 5000 milliamp nimh opposed to 7.2. Please like, subscribe, and hit that notification. I'll have more events coming to you soon. Peace out.